Alright children, I have a question for you. Which season is going on?
Summer.
That's right, summer is going on and it is very hot outside, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, but do you know how many seasons are there in a year?
4 seasons.
Very good. There are 4 seasons
4 seasons
in a year.
in a year.
There are
There are
4 seasons in a year.
4 seasons in a year.
How many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons in a year.
There are 4 seasons in a year.
And they are summer,
Summer,
autumn,
autumn,
winter
winter,
and spring.
and spring.
Summer,
Summer,
autumn,
autumn,
winter,
winter,
spring.
spring.
Summer.
Summer.
Can you see the picture, children?
Yes, Auntie.
Everybody's feeling so hot, isn't it?
Yes, Auntie.
So summer.
Summer.
Now what comes after summer? Once the summer is ending, autumn begins. Which season begins?
Autumn begins.
Autumn begins. And in autumn, what happens? Does anybody know? Leaves fall.
Leaves fall.
That is why autumn is also called fall.
Fall.
What is the another name of autumn? Fall.
Fall.
In autumn, the leaves fall from the tree. Okay, children?
Yes, Auntie.
Can you see the picture over here?
Yes, Auntie.
Look, the leaves are falling from the tree. Can you see?
Yes, Auntie.
So this is autumn.
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 Alright, so when the autumn ends, winter begins. Which season begins?
Winter.
Which season begins after autumn?
Winter.
Winter begins. And in winter also, the trees are without the leaves. Okay, children?
Yes, Auntie.
In Karachi, it does not snow, but in the northern areas of Pakistan, it does snow. So in winter, it is very cold and we wear warm clothes. And when the winter is over, spring comes. Which season comes?
Spring comes.
Now, spring is the season of blossom. In spring, trees, flowers, they all blossom. It is a very beautiful season of the year. So, spring is a very beautiful season. All the leaves and the flowers that had fallen in the autumn, it comes back in spring. Okay, children?
Yes, Auntie.
Spring is the season of blossom.
Spring is the season of blossom.
So, this is spring.
Spring.
Can you see the picture, children?
Yes, Auntie.
Can you see the beautiful flowers and lush leaves?
Yes, Auntie.
So this is the season of spring.
Spring.
Alright. So how many seasons are there in a year? There are 4 seasons in a year.
4 seasons in a year.
Summer,
Summer,
autumn,
autumn,
winter
winter,
and spring.
spring.
And spring.
Spring.
Children, did you understand?
Yes, Auntie.
Were the pictures clear?
Yes, Auntie.
Now open your copies and let's begin. We will begin with the date. Today is 16.
16
Which month is this, children?
July.
For July, which number do we use?
7.
And this year is?
2020.
This is 2020.
20.
Alright, now let's read the caption. Again, we have 2 headings. First is the main heading and second is the...
Subheading.
Let's read the main heading first. Write
Write
and
and
learn.
learn.
Seasons
Seasons
of
of
the
the
year.
year.
Write and learn.
Write and learn.
Seasons of the year.
Seasons of the
First we will read and then we will write. Summer,
summer.
summer,
Summer.
summer,
Summer.
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 Winter,
Winter.
winter,
Winter.
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 Autumn,
Autumn.
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 And last is spring,
Spring.
summer,
Summer.
winter,
Winter.
autumn,
Autumn.
spring.
Spring.
Let's write it down. Summer. S. Now your S should be capital. Okay, children?
Yes, Auntie.
U
U.
M
M.
double M
double M
E
E
R
R
summer.
summer
SUMMER summer.
SUMMER summer
SUMMER summer.
SUMMER summer
Summer.
summer
Summer.
summer
Let's move forward. Next we have winter.
winter
Children, listen to me carefully. It's W. W का sound क्या होता है? W. So winter.
winter
Alright, let's write winter.
winter
W.
W
Again, your W should be capital. Okay, children?
yes auntie
So win. I. Win.
N
Winter.
winter
So T.
T
E.
E
R.
R
Winter.
winter
WIN. Win.
WIN win
TER. Ter.
TER ter
Winter.
winter
WIN. Win. TER. Ter. Winter.
WIN win TER ter winter
WIN. Win. TER. Ter. Winter.
WIN win TER ter winter
WIN. Win. TER. Ter. Winter.
WIN win TER ter winter
WIN. Win. TER. Ter. Winter.
WIN win TER ter winter
Let's move forward. Alright, children. So the next season that we have is autumn.
Autumn,
Autumn.
autumn,
Autumn.
autumn.
Let's read autumn first.
A
AUTUMN.
U T U M N
Autumn.
autumn.
AUTUMN. Autumn.
A U T U M N autumn.
AUTUMN. Autumn.
A U T U M N autumn.
Alright, let's start writing. We will stay close to the center line, children. A
A
U
U
T
T
U
U
M N.
N
Autumn.
autumn.
Let's read it. AUTUMN. Autumn.
A U T U M N autumn.
AUTUMN. Autumn.
A U T U M N.
Alright, so AUTUMN. Autumn.
A U T U M N autumn.
So this is autumn.
Autumn.
Alright. Next we have spring.
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 Now children, can you hear that when you say spring, all these sounds are being pronounced, isn't it?
Yes, auntie.
So therefore, when we write spring, I will not name the letters, I will just pronounce the sounds. Listen to me carefully and follow me. Spring. Sp. Spur. Spur. Spring. Spring. Spring.
Spring.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, auntie.
Wasn't this easy?
Yes, auntie.
Over here, you do not have to learn the spellings. You just have to pronounce the word with the help of the sounds. You have to listen the word and then you have to pronounce it with the help of the sounds. You don't have to learn the spelling. Alright?
Yes, auntie.
So spring.
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 Now let's revise the entire list of the seasons. So here is the entire list of the seasons. Children, how many seasons are there in a year? There are
There are
4 seasons
4 seasons
in a year.
in a year.
Now let's revise it. Summer.
Summer.
SUM sum MER mer. Summer.
SUM sum MER mer. Summer.
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 Winter.
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 winter,
W-I-N, win, T-E-R, ter, winter.
W-I-N, win, T-E-R, ter, winter,
W-I-N, win, T-E-R, ter, winter.
W-I-N, win, T-E-R, ter, winter,
Winter.
winter,
Next we have is autumn.
autumn,
Autumn.
autumn,
A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn.
A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn,
A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn.
A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn,
Spring.
spring,
Spring.
spring,
Spring.
spring.
Alright, so these were the seasons for today. Children, I told you before the order of those seasons. First we get summer, then we get autumn, then we get winter, and then we get spring. The list that you have in your copies, it's not according to the order, it's just written randomly. It's written randomly, so don't forget while writing. This list is for you to memorize the spellings and not the order. You understand?
Yes, Auntie.
Alright, now next move on to the next page for today. Alright children, so this is our fourth page for today. Let's read the caption. Draw
Draw
or
or
paste
paste
and
and
label
label
the
the
seasons
seasons
of
of
the
the
year.
year.
One more time. Draw or paste
Draw or paste
and label
and label
the
the
seasons of the year.
seasons of the year.
So here you have to draw or paste and label. So you can either draw or you can paste, and then you have to label it also. Okay children?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.